What are you putting in the salad now, Penelope? What are those things?
Lilacs.
Lilacs?
Ah.
Are they walnuts? Walnuts. What else is in our salad? What's this?
Apple.
Apple. What's this?
Leaf.
Leaves. Lettuce leaves. Are you helping Mama make dinner?
Alcorn. Alcorn.
All gone? What else are we having for dinner?
Cooking.
Cooking? What's cooking on the stove? What am I cooking?
Cooking.
Cooking what?
King.
Quinoa?
Whee.
And mushrooms?
Oh no.
Oh no. And tofu?